Hi students, good morning. Today we will discuss some problems on Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorems. In that, take the first problem, that is find the condition if the equation (3x square plus 4ax plus b equal to 0), 3x square plus 4ax plus b equal to 0 has at least one root in open interval 0, 1. Already we did in Rolle's theorem, applications of the Rolle's theorem, one problem we did based on this concept. Here what they given, find the condition, their condition given, but here condition not given. Find the condition if this equation has at least one root in this interval. Means by the Rolle's theorem we know that between any two roots of the equation f of x equal to 0, between any two roots of the equation f of x equal to 0, there exists at least one root of the equation what f dash x equal to 0. Means this equation has at least one root, means what the given equation is f dash x. So therefore f dash of x equal to 3x square plus 4ax plus b. So by this one we have to find what? F of x. Integrating. If you do the integration, so here integration of f dash x is f of x equal to 3 into integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus 4a into differentiation of x is x square by 2 plus differentiation of b constant bx and one integral constant also I will take. Okay, no? Otherwise directly by this identification of f dash x you can identify what? F of x also. And now this get cancelled, here 2 get cancelled. Now what is f of x? F of x is x cube plus 2ax square plus bx plus d. So what is saying? Tell me. Once you again read the question. Find the condition if this equation has at least one root. Means this equation means f dash x has at least one root, means f of x is what? Continuous and what? Differentiable, and f of a equal to what? F of b. Means this polynomial equation continuous and differentiable in the given interval, and also f of 0 equal to what should get? F of 1 you have to get. Means f of 0 is what? D, and f of 1 is what? F of 1 if you substitute 1 plus 2a plus b plus d. So this equation has at least one root of the equation, means by the Rolle's theorem f should be continuous, differentiable, and f of a equal to f of b, means f of 0 equal to f of 1. F of 0 is d getting, but f of 1 equal to 1 plus 2a plus b plus d, but this one equal to this one, when you will get? It is equal to d if 1 plus 2a plus b equal to 0 or not. So now this is our condition, this is our required condition, that only asking. Find the condition that this equation has what? At least one root. So this equation has at least one root, means given equation as f dash x. Do the differentiation, f of x you will get, right? So f is continuous and differentiable, and f of 0 equal to f of 1 you have to get. But f of 0 is what? D only. F of 1 also what should get? D. When you will get? Whenever this value equal to 0. That is the condition for this equation has at least one root in given interval. Okay, no? Right. So our required equation is this. Next problem. If f and g are differentiable functions in closed interval 0, 1, satisfying f of 0 equal to 2, that is equal to g of 1, comma g of 0 equal to 0, and f of 1 equal to 6, then for some c belongs to 0, 1, here first option they given 2 f dash of c equal to g dash of c, and second one 2 f dash of c equal to 3 into g dash of c, and third one f dash of c equal to g dash of c, and fourth one is f dash of c equal to 2 into g dash of c. Now, so this is previous JEE problem. F and G are differentiable functions in closed interval 0, 1 satisfying these conditions. For some C belongs to 0, 1, what is this one exists, right? Actually, one more theorem is there in this only, that is Cauchy's mean value theorem. By that one, this is only one step answer, but by the Rolle's theorem I will solve how to solve this one. Okay, na? So this is the problem under what? Selection of function. So by the given options we have to select the function which is exist for these conditions and Rolle's theorem conditions. Once you observe f and g are differentiable, how can you identify this is what? Rolle's theorem and this is mean value theorem. See, f and g differentiable functions they given. Okay, no? And once you observe the given what options also. So I will consider the one function, let h of x equal to, once you observe here 2 f dash x is there, here 2 g dash x is there, here 2, here 3 is there, here what? F dash and g dash is there. One you take, if you not get, go to another one like this. So by this observation of this one, I am taking function is h of x equal to f of x minus 2 into what? G of x I am taking. H of x equal to what I am considering? F of x minus 2 into g of x, right? Now see, they given f of x and g of x, both are what? Differentiable functions. Means difference of two differentiable functions is also a differentiable function. Means h of x is differentiable function. So h of x is differentiable function means we know that every differentiable function is continuous. Means h of x is continuous also. Means h of x is what? Continuous function and differentiable function. And also I will observe here our given interval is what? 0 comma 1. Means if you take h of 0, what you will get? F of 0 minus 2 into g of 0, that is equal to f of 0 value 2 minus 2 into g of 0 value 0, that is equal to 2. Next h of 1 value you take. H of 1 is f of 1 minus 2 into g of 1, that is equal to f of 1 6 given minus 2 into g of 1 into 2, that is equal to what? 2. Means therefore h of 0 equal to what? H of 1 or not? Means this function satisfies 3 conditions of the Rolle's theorem or not? Means whenever one function satisfies 3 conditions of the Rolle's theorem, then there exists what? At least one point C which is belongs to given interval, open interval 0 comma 1, such that f dash of C equal to 0 or not. But in place of function here what they given? H of x we considered. So that's why here h dash of C equal to 0. Now h of x equal to f of x minus 2 g of x we considered. Now do the differentiation for this one, what we will get? That implies f dash of C minus 2 into g dash of C equal to 0. That implies f dash of C equal to what? 2 into g dash of C. So now what is the answer? F dash of C equal to 2 into g dash of C. Very simple problem by identifying selection of function. Others, listen here once again. So f and g are differentiable functions they given and some conditions they given. So these values they given means Lagrange's mean value theorem or Rolle's theorem. If you observe, Lagrange's mean value theorem conditions are only 2 conditions. What are they? Continuous and differentiable. But along that one values also given means it may be what? H of 0 equal to h of 1 also, means like that if you think. So if you go to Rolle's theorem conditions, h of x equal to this one, no, h of 0 and h of 1 both are equal. So then I am applying what? Rolle's theorem condition. So then there exists at least one point between 0 and 1 and h dash of c equal to 0 if you take, then required you will get. Okay. Now, suppose this is not satisfying means go to what? 2 into f of x minus 3 into g of x condition you take here, again you solve. Understood? So side of the page if you identify, then you will get the idea how to take that. If you do more problems on this, then you will get the idea what we have to take. In the given information only you can identify how to select the function. Next problem. If f of x is third problem. If f of x is a differentiable function such that f of 1 equal to sin 1, f of 2 equal to sin 4 and f of 3 equal to sin 9, then the minimum number of distinct roots of the equation f dash x equal to 2x cos of x square in the interval 1 comma 3 is this is numerical value problem. Once you read the question carefully, this is also under selection of function. F is differentiable function such that f satisfying three conditions. What are they? F of 1 equal to sin 1, f of 2 equal to sin 4, f of 3 equal to sin 9. Then minimum number of distinct roots for this equation. Already f dash x they given. F dash x is what? 2x cos x square. In which interval? 1 comma 3. Once you observe, given function satisfies here f of 1 equal to sin 1, f of 2 equal to sin 4, f of 3 equal to sin 9. They are in the form of, if you take here f of x, how to write it as? Sin x square or not? Once you see, f of 2 sin 4, f of 3 sin 9. Satisfied or not? Right? Now given functions satisfying these three conditions means you consider the function g of x equal to f of x minus sin x square. This one you have to consider. Why we are taking, you can identify now. Now what I am taking, g of x equal to f of x minus sin x square. Now listen carefully. Sin x square is a continuous and differentiable function in this interval 1 comma 3. And f of x is already what they given? Differentiable function. Every differentiable function is continuous. Means difference of two differentiable function is what? Differentiable function. Means g of x is differentiable function in the given interval. So every differentiable function is a continuous, so therefore g of x is continuous. Means g of x is continuous and differentiable in the given interval, right? So two conditions of the Rolle's theorem satisfied, and one more condition satisfied because some values they given, no? So we have to identify that one also. That is what? G of 1 you take. G of 1 if you take f of 1 minus sin 1. F of 1 equal to sin 1 or not? Now f of 1 minus sin 1 equal to what? 0. Next g of 2 equal to f of 2 minus sin, what is there? F of 2 minus sin 4 equal to, it is also 0. And what about the g of 3? Also 0. Means g of 1 equal to g of 2 equal to g of 3, that is equal to 0. Means third conditions of the Rolle's theorem satisfied or not? In how many intervals? 2 intervals. Means the graph may be like this or like this. Here what is there? 1 is there, here 2 is there, here what is there? Suppose 3 is there. Means between 1 and 2, 1 f dash x equal to 0 will be there, and between 2 and 3 also one more will be there, because at 1 function is 0, at 2 function is 0, at 3 function is 0. So at 3 points, suppose like this, at 3 points, here 1, here 2, here 3, function is 0 means, so the graph should be like this only or not? Because function is here 0, again here 0 means definitely it should take what? One U-turn. Otherwise like this also, 1, 2, 3 means like this also. Means between 1 and 2 definitely at this point if you take C1 and here C2, here f dash of C1 equal to 0, here f dash of C2 equal to 0 or not? Means not only one point, how many points are there? 2 points are there, where f dash x equal to 0 between 1 and 3, right? Means it satisfies, g of x is satisfies three conditions of the Rolle's theorem or not? Then what we can say? There exists at least one C belongs to, here 2 are there. C1 belongs to 1 comma 2, C2 belongs to 2 comma 3. Such that 1 comma 3 belongs to 1 comma 3 such that f dash of C equal to 0 or not. Now f dash of C means here in place of f what is there, what you taken, G you taken. So G dash of C equal to 0. Now do the differentiation for this one. G dash of C means that implies f dash of C minus differentiation of this one by the chain rule. So 2x into cos of x square or not, differentiation of sin x square cos x square, and again differentiation of x square is 2x, but in place of x here what you are taking, C. So 2c cos c square e cos c means cos of c square equal to 0. Now that implies f dash of C equal to 2c cos c square. Now if f is differentiable function such that these three conditions, then minimum number of roots they asking, for which one, f dash of x equal to 2x cos x square, replace c by x, f dash of x equal to 2x. How many roots are there? 2 roots are there or not? So minimum how many are there? 2. One is between 1 and 2, one more is between 2 and 3, right? So our answer is what? 2. Minimum means minimum number of roots they asking, but minimum number of roots are what? 2. One is between 1 and 2, one more is between 2 and 3. Next, one more numerical problem. Fourth one, this is f of x equal to x into x square plus mx plus n plus 2. X into x square plus mx plus n plus 2 for all x belongs to real number, and m comma n belongs to real number if Rolle's theorem holds for f of x at x equal to minus 4 by 3. So x equal to 4 by 3 in x belongs to minus 1 comma 2, then they asking m plus n equal to, this is also important problem. F of x equal to what they given, x into x square plus mx plus n plus 2 for all x belongs to real number, m comma n belongs to real numbers. If the Rolle's theorem holds for the function f of x at x equal to 4 by 3 and x belongs to 1 comma 2, then m plus n equal to what? Now first take the given function. First to decode the given problem, what they given, what we have to find. So x cube plus mx square plus nx plus 2. Once again, x cube plus mx square plus nx plus 2, right? Now already the given Rolle's theorem is exist for what? F of x. Rolle's theorem is exist for f of x means f is already what they given? Continuous, differentiable, and f of 1 equal to f of 2 also, right? Now I will take f of 1 equal to f of 2 because these unknown values we have to find. F of 1 equal to f of 2. What is f of 1? 1 plus m plus n plus 2 equal to, so f of 2 8 plus 4m plus 2n plus 2. Now that implies m bring that side 3m, n bring that side plus n plus n. These are the 8 plus 2 10. 10 bring this side. What you will get here? 1 plus 2 3. So plus 3 minus means minus 7, no? Right. These 10 I am taking this side. So minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. Take this as equation number 1. So for finding the m and n values, one more equation needed. So how to get? So this function satisfies the Rolle's theorem, means f of a equal to f of 1, one condition you got. Then there exists what? At least one point which is belongs to open interval 1 comma 2 such that f dash of c equal to 0. F dash of c equal to 0. Now find out f dash of x. What is that? That is 3c square plus 2mc plus n. Correct, no? 3x square plus 2mx plus n equal to what? 0. This condition also satisfied or not? Now that implies, but c value they given, what is that? C equal to 4 by 3, because at this point Rolle's theorem is exist, means 3 into 4 by 3 whole square, 16 by 9 plus 2 m, c is 4 by 3 plus n equal to 0. Here this is the 3 times. So LCM 16 plus 8m plus 3n equal to 0, right? 16 plus 8m plus 3n equal to 0. That implies 8m plus 3n equal to minus 16. Take this as equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2 to get m and n value. For that, equation 2 as it is you write down 8m plus 3n equal to minus 16, and this one multiplied by what? 3. So here if you multiply 3, what will get? 9m plus 3n equal to minus 21. So minus here plus, these two get cancelled, minus m equal to 5, m equal to minus 5, right? This m value substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is what? 3m plus n equal to minus 7. Here minus 15 plus n equal to minus 7, n equal to 8. So finally what the value asking? M plus n equal to minus 5 plus 8 equal to 3. So this is our answer, right? Next, take one more problem, fifth problem. Let a function which is mapping from minus 7 comma 0 to a real number be continuous on closed interval minus 7 comma 0 and differentiable on open interval minus 7 comma 0 if f of 7 equal to minus 3 and f dash of x less than or equal to 2 for all x belongs to open interval minus 7 comma 0, then for all such functions f of minus 1 plus f of 0 lies in the interval. First option they given close interval minus 6 comma 20. Second open interval minus infinity to close interval 20. And third one minus infinity to 11. And fourth one is close interval minus 3 comma 11. This is the simple problem. Once you see the question, function is continuous on closed interval and differentiable, and what they given, these values they given, right? So here f dash of minus 7 equal to minus 3, only one value given. By this value we can't show f of 0 equal to f of 7 like that. So which function we have to apply, means which theorem we have to apply? Lagrange's mean value theorem. So Lagrange's mean value theorem is exist from, suppose this is the curve, Lagrange's what up to here also exist. So from here also you will take or not, means if you take this one, for this one also any one point will be there, what at that point if you take the tangent that is parallel to this line. Suppose if you take like this, for this one also at that point one tangent if you take parallel to this line or not, means for this one also you can apply the what? Lagrange's mean value theorem. But here what they given, means not only suppose like this you taken, not only here, suppose if you take here also one point will be there which is parallel to what? This line. Here also tangent you can take or not, means function is continuous on from where to where? Minus 7 to 0. So here which value asking? F of minus 1 plus f of 0 value. By this observation I am bifurcating this Lagrange's mean value theorem as two parts. So Lagrange's mean value theorem in where minus 7 to minus 1. What is that? F dash of c equal to f of b minus f of minus 7 divided by b minus a, minus 1 minus of minus plus 7, right? So first what I am applying? Lagrange's mean value theorem in which interval? Minus 7 to minus 1. But it is continuous what? Minus 7 to 0 means it is continuous. Minus 7 to 0 means it is also continuous minus 7 to minus 1 or not? So that's why. Now that implies f dash of c equal to f of minus 1, f of minus 7 value they given, what is that? Minus 3, substitute here, minus of minus plus 3 divided by, here it is 6. But f dash x value less than or equal to, means slope is less than or equal to 2 only given, means less than or equal to 2. That implies this f dash x less than or equal to 2 means this is also less than or equal to, because this is equal to this one. Now f of minus 1 plus 3 less than or equal to 12, that implies f of minus 1 less than or equal to 9. Take this as equation number 1. Next, second one, apply Lagrange's mean value theorem in the interval minus 7 comma 0, because here 0 getting, here minus 1 getting, so that's it. So Lagrange's mean value theorem from where to where? Minus 7 in minus 7 and 0. So f dash of c equal to what? Here also f of 0 minus f of minus 7 divided by minus 0 minus of minus plus 7, that is equal to f of 0 So it is also here f dash x here also less than or equal to 2. Here less than or equal to 2. F of 0, f of minus 7 is 3 plus 3 divided by 7 less than or equal to 2. That implies f of 0 plus 3 less than or equal to 14. That implies f of 0 less than or equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Add 1 plus 2. If you add 1 and 2, what you will get? F of minus 1 plus f of 0 less than or equal to 20 or not. So this value is less than or equal to 20 means maximum is what? 20. So that's why what is our answer? Minus infinity to 20. Like that we have to do. Next, sixth problem. Previous one is JEE 2020, January 2020 given. This is also JEE 2020 previous problem only. The value of January 2020 the given. This problem also and previous problem also. The value of C in Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 8x plus 11 when x belongs to close interval 0 comma 1 is. So here also first option they given 2 by 3 and second one is 4 minus root 7 by 3 and third 4 minus root 5 by 3. Fourth one is root 7 minus 2 by 3. By using the Lagrange's mean value theorem, find the value of C for the given function. Once you observe given function is a polynomial function, every polynomial function is continuous and differentiable. Two conditions of the Lagrange's mean value theorem is exist. Then there exists what? At least one point such that f dash of C equal to what? F of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Once you see, find the value of C when the Lagrange's mean value theorem is holds for this function they given, means continuous, differentiable, and there exists at least one point which is belongs to 0 comma 1 open interval such that f dash of C equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus C. Now that implies f dash of C 3c square minus 8c plus 8, right? Differentiation of given function equal to f of B. F of B means f of 1 minus f of 0 divided by 1 minus 0. F of 1 minus 4 plus 8 plus 11 minus f of 0. F of 0 is 11, right? Divided by 1, that is equal to 19 plus 1, 20 minus 4, 16, 16 minus 11, it is what? 5 only. So that implies 3c square minus 8c plus 8. Simplify, 3c square minus 8c plus 3 equal to 0. Do you have the factors? So apply the formula for finding the roots. C equal to minus b, minus or minus, plus or minus root of b square 64 4ac means 36 divided by 2a, 2 into 3, that is equal to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 36. 24 plus 4 means 28. 28 root 28 is 2 root 7 divided by 6. Now that is equal to 4 plus or minus root 7 by 3. But C value should be belongs to what? Open interval 0 comma 1. In these two, which one is belongs to 0 comma 1? 4 minus root 7 by 3 only or not? So C equal to 4 minus root 7 by 3 belongs to 0 comma 1. 4 plus root 7 not belongs to 0 comma 1. So that's why this is our answer. Next problem. If C is a point, this is also previous JEE 2020 January 2020 problem. If C is a point at which Rolle's theorem holds for the function f of x equal to log of x square plus alpha by 7x to the base e in the interval 3 comma 4, close interval 3 comma 4, where alpha belongs to real number, then f double dash of C equal to see this problem. Here different options they given: 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, like that they given. If C is a point at which Rolle's theorem holds for what? Function f of x equal to log x square plus alpha divided by 7x in the interval what? Close interval 3 comma 4. Means clearly they given Rolle's theorem is holds for this function. Means what they given? Function is continuous and differentiable in the given interval, and f of 3 equal to f of 4 given. Then there exists at least one point will be there which is belongs to what? 3 comma open interval 3 comma 4, such that first derivative of that point is first derivative of that function at that point is what? 0. By that one, first what we have to find C value, because f double dash of C asking. First we have to, for finding the f double dash of C, what are the requirements? F of x first we have to find, because f of x in terms of what? Alpha, here alpha is there. First we have to find what? Alpha. After substituting alpha, f of x you will get. Then f dash x you have to find. F dash x equal to 0 if you take, there what will get? C we will get. At that point what we have to find? F double dash. Little bit lengthy process, okay no? But calculation is speed means easy only. No logic but lengthy problem. Now f is continuous and differentiable, right? First condition is what? F of 3 equal to f of 4. So that implies log of x square plus, so here f of 3 no, x value 3 you substitute, 9 plus directly I am substituting 9 plus alpha divided by 7 into 3, 21 equal to log of f of 4, x value is 4, 16 plus alpha divided by 28. Now that implies 9 plus alpha divided by 21 equal to 16 plus alpha by what? 28. Right. Now this is 3 times, this is 4 times cross multiplication. 36 plus 4 alpha equal to 48 plus 3 alpha. 3 alpha bring this side, alpha equal to 12. So this is alpha value. By the first condition, alpha value got. This one you substitute in the given function f of x equal to log of x square plus 12 divided by 7x. This is our function. Now we have to do the differentiation. F dash of x equal to differentiation of log 1 by x. 1 by x means 7x by x square plus 2. Again we have to do the differentiation for this one by the chain rule. So here which formula is there? Quotient rule. Now v, differentiation of u, 2x minus x square plus 12, differentiation of 7x is what? 7 divided by what? 7 square, 49 x square. Yesterday same type problems we did one problem. What is that? X square plus ab by a plus b into x. Their x value is root ab, answer is that. Same. Now differentiation once again you check. Reciprocal log means reciprocal of this one. 1 by x means 7x by x square plus 2. Again quotient rule. 7x differentiation of this one is 2x minus x square plus 2. Differentiation of 7x is 7 divided by. Is there any cancellation? 7x. Yeah. 7x get cancelled, and from these two 7 common and cancel, this is also get cancelled. What is remaining? 2x square minus x square minus 12 divided by, here x remaining, x square plus 12. This is f dash x. So for the function Rolle's theorem is exist means f dash of c equal to 0 or not? F dash of c equal to 0. Now from this one x square means you can write it as x square minus 12 by x cube plus 12x. 2x square minus x square is x square minus 12 divided by x cube plus 12x. So it is equal to 0 means x square minus 12 equal to 0, x square equal to 12 means c square equal to what? 12, right? This term equal to 0 means x square minus 12 equal to 0, x square equal to 12 means here replace x by c. So c square value is 12 you got. Understood? And now this value where we have to substitute in this one by differentiation, second time differentiation, because f double dash of c asking. Now second time differentiation, f dash of x equal to x square minus 12 by x cube plus 12x, no, x cube plus 12x. Again differentiating, f double dash of x equal to quotient rule, x cube plus 12x, differentiation of this one is 2x minus this one as it is x square minus 12x, differentiation of this one is 3x square plus 12 divided by x cube plus means you can, I will write it as x square plus 12 whole square. This is nothing but this only, quotient rule I applied. Now f double dash of c equal to what? Root 12. Right, because at which point we have to find c equal to root 12. Now if you take the root 12, because plus or minus root 12 in this one positive value only exists, that is equal to substitute root 12 in place of x nothing but c only here. You consider it as what? C only. So no need to take again here what replace x by c, right? Now here c equal to 12 means root 12 square, 12 minus 12. So this total value is what? 0. Next in these two what is common? X common. First I will simplify, then I will substitute the 12, then easily you will get the answer. So x if you take common here, x square remaining plus 12 remaining and 2x square divided by x square plus 12 whole square. Now one x square plus 12 get cancelled, here x square get cancelled. Now 2 by x square plus 12. X square equal to 12, 12 plus 12 that is equal to 1 by 12. So this is our proper answer. Okay, no? Little bit lengthy is there, but simple problem only. What we have to do? First f of 1, because it is it holds what? Rolle's theorem. So f of continuous and differentiable, f of 1 equal to, sorry, f of 3 equal to f of 4. By that one alpha, that alpha value again substitute in given function. Again do the differentiation. F dash x equal to 0. C value will get. That C after what? Taking the first derivative, again do the differentiation. Substitute the C value. Then you will get what? So required answer. Okay, no? Right.